everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. My name is Sandrine and I am a soap maker. I make handmade plant-based vegan soaps, all natural, catered to sensitive skin. So if you're interested in those kind of video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I also do other skincare DIY, not DIY natural skincare, stuff that you can do to take care of your skin naturally at home. So if you're interested, again, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. But we're gonna cut our turmeric soap. If you didn't see the making of this soap, I'll go ahead and leave the link to how I made this soap in the description box. But yeah, let's get to the video. It's early in the morning and we need to get it cutting. We got a soap cutter here. Okay, so we're gonna start with one loaf, and with this one, so it's been like 3 days, and at this point it should be ready for cutting. Didn't get a chance to cut it after 24 hours, but we're cutting it today. The only reason you need to cut your soap earlier is because if you don't cut it in the right time, it will get moldy inside because it needs to touch the air so it could drain all the water out. So if you don't mold it at the right time, it's gonna get moldy inside and it will kind of ruin the soap. So you can't keep it in this big old block for too long. Okay, so we're gonna cut our first loaf, our first bar. Oh, it's so beautiful. And it smells great. This is our turmeric and tea tree soap bar. If you didn't watch the making, I'll leave a link on top where you can watch it. Or the link will be in the description box to watch how I made this soap. So it's all the same. So I'm gonna rush through this one and then we'll do the next one. And it's best to like clean the wire while you're cutting. So beautiful. So beautifully made. Yeah, you see like this part that's kind of like, never mind, this one doesn't have it because I actually took it out in the right time. So it's the last one. Ooh, I like it. We're gonna unmold the next one. This is the other one. Ooh, it's nice. Nice, 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 nice. Look at this one. I like this cutting angle, so you might see a lot of these. Oh, this one is so good. Do a little turmeric there. They all turned out great. I really almost run out of turmeric. This is the last one. Ooh, nice. Okay, let's move on to our last one, our last mode. This is going to be a SMR one, no music, just me talking and the cutting board. That wasn't a good first cut because I got a little edge here. Let's fix that. Perfect, but it's still on this side. Now this one is perfectly perfect. Oh no! Good thing I could do that with this. That'll probably be mine. I always take the ones who are like in terrible shape and I use that for my personal use. And then I sell the pretty ones. Okay, last cut. Last one. Perfect. Okay, we're done with turmeric. Alright guys, we're all done with turmeric. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you again in my next one. Amahoro.